Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce arithmetic instructions. So arithmetic instructions, it involves 5 mathematical operators which are addition, subtraction. For multiplication we use this symbol, and for division we use this forward slash, and we have another symbol which is known as modulus, So for this first 4 operators plus, like you already know, 2 plus 3 we can get 5, 3 minus 2 we get 1, 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6, and 3 divided by 2 we get 1.5. Right? For the modulus, what modulus is that it gives us the remainder. Remainder in the sense that suppose if we have say 7 divided by 5, so over here one time 7 will be divided by 5 completely by one time, and 2 will be the remainder and 5 will be this. So this remainder, if we want to get this remainder, we can get this remainder using this symbol. Just we need to write 7 modulus 5, and the answer for this will be 2. Similarly, suppose 11% 3. So now 11 divided by 3 times 11 will be divided completely 3 times, whereas 2 will be the remainder. So the answer will be 2. If we have say something like 18% 5, over here remainder will be 3. 18 divided by 5, 3 times it will be divided completely, 3 will be the remainder and 5. So this remainder we can obtain using this. Right? So these are the 5 operators that are there in C language. In mathematics, suppose if I have written something a is equals to 3, and then if I write a equals to a plus 2, so in mathematics this expression is in fact taken as mathematically wrong, because in mathematics we can take this a over here, so a minus a equals to 2, and then 0 equals to 2, which is not possible. So mathematically it seems to be wrong. But in programming language, what compiler used to do, that compiler first evaluate this expression, means the expression that is there on the right of equal to sign. So on the right side expression, the compiler will evaluate the value of this, and then the evaluated value will be assigned to this variable which is there on the left side of equal to sign. That is, this expression, when we write this expression, then a is 3, so 3 plus 2, it will be 5. This 5 is assigned to this variable a. So remember that on the left side of equal to sign we can have only one variable. We cannot put something like a comma b equals to a plus 2, or we cannot have something like a plus 2 equals to a. So this is not allowed. Compiler first evaluate the expression on the right side, and then the resultant is assigned to the variable that is there on the left side. Right? So now if I try this in the code block, and now if I run this program, then you can see the result is value of a and b are 11 and 5. So b is a value of a, it is b plus c, so 5 plus 6 11, and same answer we got from here. Right? So if suppose after this, if I write a equals to a plus 3, so over here with this we get 5 plus 6, value of a becomes 11. Now after that in the next line I put a plus 3, so 11 plus 3 it will give me 14. So if I now run this program F9, I run this program, and you can see that value of a I am getting it as 14, right? So in this way I can use any like I can use a minus 3. If I use a minus 3, then I will get 11 minus 3, 8. I can use multiplication and so on. If I use modulus, then 11 divided by 3, I expect 11 divided by percent 3, it gives me the remainder 2. So if I now run this, so you can see that value of a that is coming, it is 2. So modulus gives me the remainder. If I simply put like 8 or 7% 3, then the remainder is 1. So I run this program and you can see that the value of a, it is coming out to be 1. It is coming out to be 1. So in this way, with the help of a modulus symbol, we can get the remainder of the. Okay, so another thing that is important to know in C language is that suppose over here we have initialized the value of b and c. So in mathematics, like we can express something like b plus c, b minus c. So in mathematics we can write expression in this way, but in programming languages, this over here we need to put a multiplication symbol operator in between the two brackets. Compiler will not understand that over here we mean that we need to multiply these two expressions. Compiler will not take it. We need to put the multiplication operator in between. Okay, so compiler will not understood anything on its own. We need to express each and everything clearly. So like for example, if I put something like this in mathematics, it simply means that first b minus c need to be calculated, and whatever is the answer, that answer will be multiplied with 2. But in C language we need to put this multiplication symbol. So with this I end this video over here, and in the next video I am going to tell you more about the arithmetic operator, about the preference order, about the associativity rule that is there with respect to the arithmetic operator. So thank you.